What's up, LA Squad? We're back with another tutorial, but this one is going to be on deep conditioning. If you want to see how I got these moisturized pop and curls, please continue watching. I am starting off with a moisturizing deep conditioner from Tora Amor. It's from her Upbeat collection. But what's different is I am adding an herb. It is moringa powder. So just to talk a little bit about moringa powder, what it does and its benefits. It helps to stimulate hair growth, it strengthens the hair follicle, and it contains zinc and iron that brings oxygen to the roots of your hair, which is amazing benefits. If you've never tried herbs in your hair before, it's always best to add it to a moisturizing conditioner just to kind of see how your hair reacts to it. There really is no negative benefits to adding herbs, but you want to see which one works best for you. Moringa really is a great herb to add to your deep conditioner. So as you can see, I am mixing it till it gets completely smooth and make sure that there's no residue left over. You want to really work it into the deep conditioner. I love adding this step to my hair because it really just adds that moisture back, that strength back into my hair, because our hair goes through so much, especially when we extend our wash days past a week or so. So this is my hair freshly washed, nice and moisturized, ready and set for some deep conditioning action. So something new that I am trying is adding a herbal hair tea. This is from High Maintenance. I will leave all the information in the description box. I seen one of my fellow naturalistas on Instagram doing this step where she added the hair tea into her hair before adding the deep conditioner. Especially if you're a low porosity person, you want to keep that cuticle open and lifted. So adding this step is really going to keep your hair open and accepting to the great nutrients and ingredients that's about to go into it. So when I added this deep conditioner in, I just felt it just soak right into the cuticle of my hair. It really aids in helping in detangling. I did not have to use a comb right away. It just really worked right into my hair, and I love doing this method. Like, there's no turning back. Do you see that bounce back though? Like, amazing. That hair tea has some amazing herbs in it as well. I do have now an ebook that will have all the information to all my product recommendations, and it'll basically a product guide of different products that I like to use, and that has aided in my hair being healthy. If you want to purchase that ebook, the information will be in the description box as well. It's really beneficial information for anybody who kind of just wants to start off and knowing what to use in their hair for your hair to be healthy and moisturizing. I mean, my hair has flourished so much in using these products. But this deep conditioning session was amazing. Deep conditioning is the most important part of your wash day. It's really just adding that moisture back into your hair, the strength back into your hair. And it's really important not to skip every time that you wash your hair. It's important to add this in. And my hair just really enjoyed using this step and adding the hair tea first and then doing the deep conditioner. It was great. So I'm just working this deep conditioner into my hair. Another thing that I noticed too, usually I'd let this sit in my hair for like 30 minutes, but with low porosity, again, you really have to work products into your hair. You have to give it time to sit in. So I made sure I let this sit in for at least maybe an hour. And you'll see towards the middle of this video that I added a heating cap. The ones that you can just microwave for like 2 minutes. And I put that onto my hair, heat up the product so it can melt into the cuticle, and left the deep conditioner in my hair for about an hour or so. So that really just helped my hair to be a lot more moisturized. So just hang in there, see how we finish up this deep conditioning treatment, and see the results toward the end of this video. All right, you guys, so these are the final results after leaving it in my hair for about an hour. My hair felt super soft and moisturized, and I just felt like the conditioner got to really seep through my hair. Keeping it in those twists also kept that conditioner locked into my hair, and you'll see how shiny and bouncy my hair feels after I rinse it out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how I incorporate herbs into my wash day routine. Let me know in the comments if you've ever done this before as well. If you are concerned about adding it into your hair care regimen, definitely let me know your thoughts. And again, if you are interested in my product guide, PDF. The information is in the description box on my website at naturallyla.com. Make sure you check it out. It has some really, really good information in it. And definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments of this video. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. See you in my next video.